And for the last night in the city, we made a campfire in the amphitheater to wind down.
All right, everybody, what was your favorite part of the video? Well, it's actually gonna be leaving.
I enjoyed the friends I made.
Yeah.
I enjoyed toppling the dictatorship.
Why is he the mayor?
Enjoy your dictatorship.
I don't quit, bro. It's too much work.
My favorite part was just dragging all these YouTubers to the middle of nowhere, deep underground, and forcing them to hang out with me. It was a lot of fun. I'm grateful for you all coming out. Thank you so much.
And boys, with only one day left in this underground city, we've really started to fill this room up.
All right, cut the lights off. We'll see you tomorrow for day 7.
All right, guys, good night. Good night.
Good night, everybody. Time to go home.
Please hurry.
And after we cleaned up this entire camp, it was finally time to leave this underground city.
This was fun. I'm gonna miss all of you.
I just got here. Why is everyone leaving?
I've been here forever. I can't wait to leave.
Our first time seeing sunlight in a week.
Oh, it's so bright, dude.
Oh my God.
Now go outside and touch some grass yourself.